Money talks. But who's listening now? So you're sitting there, maybe with a cup of lukewarm coffee in hand, scrolling through your bank app, wondering where your paycheck actually went. And just as you're contemplating canceling yet another subscription, do you really need 5 streaming platforms? A new headline pops up: AI financial advisors are reshaping the industry. Wait, hold on. AI financial advisors like robo-money whisperers? Yep. Now here's the big question. Should human financial planners be sweating bullets? Or is this just another Silicon Valley hype train blowing steam? Let's talk about it. Meet your new advisor. Code in a suit, alright, so what even is an AI financial advisor? Picture this. Instead of scheduling a call with Rick, your tie-wearing, golf-playing financial planner, you open an app. It's slick, clean, no waiting room music. You input your info and boom, you've got a full investment strategy, risk profile, and retirement plan before your toast even pops. These tools are built using machine learning algorithms that analyze vast data sets, way faster than any human. We're talking stock trends, inflation rates, your personal spending habits, even what kind of coffee you buy. Yes, the AI knows. You've probably heard names like Betterment, Wealthfront, or even traditional giants like Vanguard hopping on the robo-bandwagon. They're cheap, fast, emotionless, like your most brutally honest friend. But does that mean they're better? Let's be real, humans are messy, and that's okay. Here's the thing, financial planning isn't just numbers, it's life stuff. Like explaining to a newly divorced dad how to protect his kids' college funds, or helping someone deal with the fear of retiring too early or too late. AI can't comfort you when the markets crash. It doesn't pause to ask, are you sure this risky crypto thing fits your goals? Or are you just following TikTok trends again? There's emotional intelligence in financial advising that no line of code can replicate. At least, not yet. The cold hard truth and a few numbers. Now let's talk stats, because, well, money loves numbers. Robo-advisors manage over $2 trillion globally. That number's expected to double by 2027. Fees? They're often 0.25% or less, compared to human advisors who can charge 1% or more. They're available 24/7, no out-of-office replies. So yeah, they're eating up market share, especially with younger investors who'd rather text than talk. But here's a twist. Many human advisors are now using AI behind the scenes. It's like financial cyborgs, part expert, part algorithm. Think Iron Man, but with a calculator. But what about jobs? Will AI put planners out of work? Short answer? Some, not all. The repetitive tasks, portfolio rebalancing, risk assessments, tax loss harvesting, those are on AI's plate now. That's efficiency. That's progress. But the jobs that blend technical knowledge with human connection, they're evolving, not evaporating. If you're a financial planner reading this, don't panic. Pivot. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. The same way Google didn't kill librarians, it just changed how they help people. Pause. Can we talk about trust? Let's not ignore the elephant in the room. Do people actually trust AI with their money? Surprisingly, more than you'd think. But here's where it gets sticky. Algorithms can make mistakes. Or worse, biases baked into the data can lead to unfair recommendations. AI doesn't intend to discriminate, but if it's trained on biased data, yikes. That's where human oversight still matters. Trust is earned, not coded. Digression. Remember the ATM panic? Let me take you back to the 1960s. When ATMs first showed up, people freaked out. "A machine's giving me money? No thanks." Fast forward, we love them. We rely on them. But we still talk to bankers when things get complicated. Same deal here. AI isn't replacing financial advisors, it's transforming them. It's filtering out the noise so advisors can focus on you, not just your spreadsheets. Okay, but what should you do with all this? Great question. If you're an investor, try both. Use a robo-advisor for basic stuff, but schedule a real conversation when life throws a curveball. Stay curious. Ask questions even if your advisor is an app. Don't blindly trust any system, human or machine. If you're a financial advisor, learn the tech. Seriously. Position yourself as an emotional guide, not just a number cruncher. Collaborate with AI tools to offer hybrid services. It's not man versus machine. It's man plus machine. We've got this habit of thinking in extremes. Either robots take over or they crash and burn. But most of reality lives in the middle. AI financial advisors, they're not coming to take your job. They're coming to change it. And if we're smart about it, really smart, we'll let the machines do what they're good at and keep the human stuff, well, human. Because when it comes to your future, it's not just about beating the market. It's about sleeping well at night, and no app's figured out how to do that for you. Yet.